Hello everyone, today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Messenger app. To know how to fix or how to solve the problem of too many operations on Messenger, should just go to settings. In the first, you can click on Messenger app. Then you can click on first stop and you can click OK. After that, you'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. In the end, you can turn off your phone and you can turn on your phone again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.